My name is Roxana and I've been taking Mike Dillard's mentorship course. It's been truly life-changing in regards to my business. I used to be very unclear on where I'm going, how I'm gonna do things. He definitely cleared up all the fog. I've learned how to analyze the market that I'm in, how to create a vision that I want to and I can follow, how to know myself better and become the leader that I aspire to be, how to set up my products in a way that can cover my costs for the ads, and what kind of products I should create, the action steps themselves towards the goals, a lot of mindset training. Everything is really high quality. I was able to see examples from other leaders and their successes and their failures and be able to learn from that and from that insight. I think everything is just very valuable. Everybody who aspires to be an online entrepreneur should definitely take this course.